Hi everybody, it's Rhonda, and in this video we are going to take a look at the sticker sheet maker inside of Render Studio. I had some questions on that lately, so I thought we would do a quick rundown on it today. I'm here in my image generation history right now. I just created this little bundle of like football style clip art that I want to use to create stickers because football season is coming soon, and I think it would be fun to create some of these clip arts into stickers. So the first thing we're going to do is I just generated these, and the first thing I want to do is go to the background remover over here on the left, and I am going to choose from my generation history. I'm going to do pretty much, there we go, all 10 of those. Those are the ones I'm going to use. And I am going to have it remove the background on all 20 of these images. That way, when we take them into the sticker sheet generator, it works a lot nicer. It's a lot easier. So we're going to give this a second to remove the background on all of our images. And it'll take a minute or two to do all 10 of them. So we'll give it just a couple minutes. Alrighty, so all of these are done. All the background is removed, and that will save to our history. So from there, we can just jump right into the sticker sheet creator over here on the left side menu. And in here, you'll see you have, it's standard to have the transparent background, but you could change that to a different color if it's easier for you, to see what is going on. And I'm going to leave mine at this brown, and I have it set to 8.5 by 11, 300 DPI. Okay. And now I'm going to grab my stickers that I want to use from my generation history, and I have all 10 of them right there. And it's going to add all of those to my sticker page, and I am going to size them. I can scale them up or down, make them bigger, smaller. I can adjust the padding between the stickers, and I can also adjust, the line size, the border that's around my images. So I think I'm going to go right there, and I think I'm going to have it fill the sheet. So it's going to add a couple more. Some of them, then will be on the sheet 2 times instead of just once, but that's okay. And then I'm going to click auto arrange just so they are on here. And looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I am going to turn off the auto arrange, and I can move these around independently if I want to. I can resize them, and I'm going to put some more. I'm going to move these up here so I can get even more on this page. Okay, so I'm just gonna, and it's up to you how you do it. Like I said, you can just hit auto arrange and let the program line them up for you. You can duplicate these, you can move them individually, so you can decide, which ones are on here. You can resize them one at a time. So if I duplicate that helmet, I could bring that helmet down here. I could make this one a little smaller if I wanted, and then I could add another helmet and make that one larger. It just is completely up to you. You can do so much with this. Okay. So once you have it looking the way you want, you're happy with your stickers. Like I said, you can do this manually. You can just click the auto arrange and let the system do it for you, or you can do it yourself, if you want to move things around and put things where you want them. And I think I'm going to do that just like that. And I think I'm happy with that now. So I have a pretty full sheet. And from there at the top, I'm just going to come up here. Oops, I do want to turn this color off. Back to white. And then I'm just going to click download sheet, and you can download it as either a PDF or a PNG. It's up to you. And I think for stickers, and I know it's a printable, I'm just going to download it as a PDF, 300 DPI, and I'm going to call this football sticker sheet. And that's that. And now I can open this up. And you can see, no, open it in Chrome. So here is our sticker sheet. And if I zoom in on it, you can see the little edges where the border will be. And that's where, if you sent this into like a cut software like Silhouette or Cricut Design Space, it would cut your stickers around that little line with that border, giving your stickers that white borderlet that most have, okay? So that's how you use the sticker sheet creator. I mean, it's super easy. It only takes a minute or two to create an entire sheet full of stickers, and they're great for printing out. You can sell these, the printable sticker sheets. So it's just real simple to use, and I just wanted to show it to you because I know I had a couple questions from different people. What is it? What do you do with it? So I thought I would just do a real quick video for you showing you exactly what it was. All right. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks again, as always, for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.